Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Google app, then here you have to tap on this camera icon. Okay, so firstly you have to connect to the Wi-Fi. Let me do this in a second. Okay, so then tap open photo gallery, allow, search with your camera, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, when camera spots it, it suggests us to open the web page which has been encoded with this QR code. We can open the website and see what's in here. So yeah, that's how you can easily scan QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.